In this recording, I'm going to talk about homework 1. Let's take a look first. Okay, first thing we would need to do is get onto the CS server. I'm on a Mac here. On Windows you'd use PuTTY. On a Mac you go to your Finder, Utilities, Terminal, it's pre-installed, and then you type SSH, your username, at cs.indystate.edu. Put in your password. Alright, then you need to make your hand-in directory, mkdir, hand-in, if you don't have one yet. Go into your hand-in directory, cd space hand-in. That's like double-clicking if you're on my computer. So I'm sitting inside of hand-in and I want to copy this file. That file that's sitting on some other part of the CS server. Copy is a cp command. First I say where I want it, what I want to copy, and then I say where I want to copy it to. I want to copy it just into the hand-in directory that I'm inside of. That's dot, period. Now it's sitting there, I can edit it. Use Pico, put my name in, start answering questions. I'm using the arrow keys to move around here. These questions are asking us to go to Wolfram Alpha and just type in some, what is 110 binary in decimal? And you know how to do this by hand as well. The answer is 12. What is 42 in binary? The answer is here 101010. The underscore 2 means binary. What is 1111 binary in decimal? $15. And what is 99 in binary? Just typing these in. Okay, then for this question, what kind of CPU do we have? For whichever kind of computer, you would go into Google and say kind of CPU, Windows 7, and then follow the instructions. Find your computer's processor speed, how to determine the type of processor, whatever type of computer you find one, and follow the instructions. For a Mac, about this Mac processor. So I have a Intel Core i5, more specifically I'm going to try this one, get CPU info via command line. They say to run this command, I get a little bit more description. So that was over here. I'm going to make another tab over here, and this is not, I haven't done the SSH command, so this tab is still on the Mac. Okay, so it's an i5 3210M. Speed 2.5 gigahertz. How many cores? I can look that up in more info. system report. Total number of cores is 2. Amount of memory in gigabytes, that was listed here, 4 gigabytes. Amount of hard drive storage, go down here to storage. I have a 500 gigabyte. Alright, so that would be it. You can do Control O to write it out right now. If you forget, and do Control X, it'll ask you, do you want to save? And I do. And you type, I'm using the arrows right now, you type whatever you want to save it to. You should save it to the same name and press enter. If you're not sure if it's saved, you can go and edit it again. Let's see, it has my name in there. And my answers. And for a review of the command line options, different commands, if you're in the Google Doc for this class, go to the useful links. There was PuTTY, FileZilla, Emacs. That link is instructions about installing programs, and there's also a list of commands here. So you can try out each of these commands to make sure you know what they're doing. And that's the homework.